Alright, so isang magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Good morning, everyone! Hi! Hello po sa ating mga nagagalang at mga beloved guests po natin ngayong araw na ito. And of course, hello kids! Ayan, good morning to everybody who are here. And syempre naman po, bago po natin tuloy umpisahan ang ating napakagandang programa po ngayong umaga, ay nais ko lang po sana makamusta ang lagay ng ating mga guests at mga bisita. And I also want to check your vibe and your energy. So that being said, ladies and gentlemen, maaari po ba ako makarinig po muna po sa inyong lahat isang malakas na palakpakan na may kasamang sigawan dyan! Oh, diba? That's the vibe we are exactly looking for today. And at the same time, ganyan, dapat po tayo masaya ngayong umaga ito. Because of course, this day is a time to celebrate, rejoice, and also be together and united all at once. Syempre naman, because of course, we are all gathered here to celebrate a very spectacular milestone for our birthday celebrate ngayong umaga. Good morning once again to our guests and welcome aboard here at the Almorelos Place dito po sa Rodriguez, Rizal. And tulad yan na sabi ko kanina, one more time, this is a total celebration and we are all gathered here to witness and also to celebrate the first birthday and dedication celebration of our baby boy this morning na si Baby Rich. Ayan, and may munting surprise po ako sa kanya maya-maya lamang, but stay tuned. But for the meantime, syempre hindi tayo makakapag-proceed ng ating program kung wala pa po dito ang mga magulang kasama po si Baby Rich. So that is why we are about to welcome them here on stage, of course, with their grand entrance. So I think we're all ready. So may I request naman po each and one of our guests to please rise. Magsipagtayo na po tayong lahat, everybody, because I believe that it is about time that we are now going to welcome on stage our birthday celebrant this morning together with his parents. Ngayon na mismo. E hinihiling ko lang po lahat ng ating mga bisita na kapag tinawag ko ang kanyang pangalan, ay sana naman po ay salubungan naman natin sila ng ating malakas na palakpakan na may kasama na rin pong hiyawan para mag-cheer at masalubong ang ating family. Okay? And of course, bago yan, may tanong muna po ako sa ating lahat. Ladies and gentlemen, are you all guys ready? Bakit po parang matamlay? Di ba po dapat masaya? Isa ba? Are you all guys ready? That's better. Ganyan dapat. And of course, I think we're all set. So that is why, ladies and gentlemen, please everyone get ready. Because, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, let us all witness the grand entrance of our one and only birthday celebrant for this morning together with his parents. Let's give it up to, of course, Daddy Leo and Mommy Jelena. Palakpakan naman natin, ladies and gentlemen, our one and only birthday celebrant this morning, Baby Rich! Everybody please remain standing. Ayan, so here you go. Sana tanda to ni Baby Rich. Let's go. Please remain standing, everybody. Here you go. Open, shut them, give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, put them in your lap, lap, lap. Creep and crawling, right up to your trip. Open eyes, your little mouth. Surprise! Wala po ano mag-go natin, of course. Ayan. Surprise! Ayan. So, of course, mamaya na po yun. And of course, course, please remain standing, everybody. And gusto ko po sana, manamana po natin batiin agad-agad ang happy birthday si Baby Rich. So on my count of 3, ay sabay-sabay po tayo sisiyaw. Just say happy birthday, Rich, after my count. Sabay po tayo, ha? Ito na. And 3, 2, 1, everybody say... There you go. Maraming salamat po. And everybody, once again, please remain standing as we are about to officially begin our program with our opening prayer. So, ayan. Sis Crystal daw po, ayan, to lead our opening prayer. This is also some surprise for them, so please join us here. Diba? Ayan. So we're just going to start our program with our prayer. So good morning, ma'am.